Hi, Live Good family. I'm Noel Macalinaw from the Philippines. I'm an affiliate member of Live Good and also a user of its wonderful product, specifically the Super Red. I have a cardiomyopathy heart enlargement with heart failure and was advised to undergo angiogram and angioplasty. They were suspected that I have a 2 to 3 blocked arteries. Unfortunately, I didn't go through the procedure because of lack of funds until it took me 1 year until my illness got progressed and where I got hospitalized and where I had a near death experience. So my heart rate drops, I got many complications and I cannot hardly breathe. It's like I'm a ticking time bomb that any moment my heart will stop, and that's the feeling. And one day a miracle happened, so they sent me home and where I continued my medication. Uh, but the suffering continues. And I tried some supplement in the market. It worked well with me, but the problem is I couldn't sustain it because it's too expensive. Then until Live Good was introduced to me by my friend and my mentor Eva. And then I took it immediately and for a few after a few days of taking it, I was amazed because gradually the symptoms were gone and my energy came back. It's like nothing happened. So I can do things slightly work and I can even drive again. So I was really amazed because beside that it is very affordable because in its platform you can save 75% against those brand in the market. And beside that, it has GMP and it's organic and bioactive. So it's the highest quality in the market. So maybe that's the reason why it's very effective. So there's this day I want to also to share it to you na when I got to skip taking it in a few weeks because it wasn't delivered yet. And I got the symptoms again and got a heart attack. So I was so scared where I talked to my wife and told her to take care of our subscriptions and even called my mentor to take care of our team because I might not make it. But miracle happened in God's grace. My brother-in-law got his super red delivered and he gave me immediately. And I took 2 glasses of it that day. In a few hours, suddenly my energy came back and the symptoms were gone again. So it's really amazing. It's so powerful. And I thank God and I'm grateful for keeping me alive through this product. And I strongly believe that many more people around the world will have their own miracles through this product. So I would suggest that you have to try this. You have to try this, especially for your loved ones and friends. And that's all. I want to take this opportunity and to give God all the glory and honor. Thank you, thank you. God bless us all.